Searching a list gets slower as it grows. A dictionary stays instant. Here's why. When you search for a value in a list, Python checks each element one by one from the start. With 10,000 items, that's up to 10,000 comparisons. O of n. Dictionaries work differently. They use a hash table internally, which lets Python jump straight to the correct memory location. It doesn't matter if the dictionary has 10 keys or 10 million. Lookup always takes the same number of steps. That's O of 1, constant time. The magic is in how hashing works. When you insert a key, Python runs it through a hash function that converts the key into an integer, which becomes an index into an internal array. Looking up the same key later, Python just hashes it again and jumps directly to that index. No scanning required. Pure direct memory access. Dictionaries pay for their speed with higher memory usage. The hash table stays intentionally sparse to avoid conflicts. And if two keys hash to the same slot, called a collision, Python must do extra work that can push worst-case lookup all the way to O of n. Dictionaries beat lists on lookup because hash tables give O of 1 constant time access. When lookups matter, always reach for a dict. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.